Welcome back to Generation X Pro Wrestling. As you just saw, Christopher Michael Lewis has officially accepted the challenge of Hollywood Adam Swayze for Generation X Pro presents Prime Friday night, July the 9th in Paris, Kentucky. But right now we've got tag team action as we just saw CM Squared, and now they are taking on the Native Sons, the team of Kimba and DC. And Kimba and DC have had their shortcomings, I'll say. They've struggled a bit here in Gen X Pro Wrestling, but they're hoping to get back on track. The manager, Tommy Benjamin, is gone from Gen X Pro Wrestling thanks to a win by Nasty Nate Gnarly at our last live event, which was Never Say Die. So Nasty Nate Gnarly was able to eradicate Tommy Benjamin from Gen X Pro Wrestling. And now the Native Sons will have to regroup. They are saying, though, that Tommy Benjamin being with him was just about the money. So we'll see if maybe they can translate and get a few wins. And maybe get their careers back on track here at Gen X Pro Wrestling. Also, still to come tonight, keep in mind we do have our gigantic main event. It will be Victor Vargas defending that Gen X Pro Championship against the hybrid monster Zodiac. These guys have been partners. Some would say they are friends. But tonight it's not about friendships. It's about winning. It's about getting the gold, as the Gen X Pro Championship will be on the line. That is our main event. Victor Vargas versus the Zodiac tonight on Gen X TV. And earlier we saw the Derek James Open Challenge. He was defeated by Tyler Stevens, but then Brawler Morrison came out, inserted himself, ended up choking out Tyler Stevens, and Derek James decided he was going to count a pin anyway, saying that was a win. Well, we will see what kind of luck Derek James has at Prime in Paris, Kentucky on July the 9th, because it's been made official. It will be Derek James going one-on-one with Big Mama. And again, we've talked about the Native Sons. They're trying to kind of get back on track. They had a little altercation earlier with CM Squared in the back locker room, in the dressing room. And Kimba got caught there. You can't take your eyes off the opponent in the ring, though. And he paid for it big time. So like I said earlier, the Native Sons trying to get things back on track. They haven't had much luck here at Gen X Pro, but they're hoping their luck will change. They got rid of Tommy Benjamin. Some say Tommy Benjamin was holding them back. Some say Tommy Benjamin was dead weight. But we will see. Can the Native Sons turn things around? Right now they are struggling with CM Squared. And Kimba definitely needs to fight out. He needs to make that tag to the big man, to DC. But again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you like us on Facebook, Generation X Pro Wrestling, that you follow us on Twitter at GNXPro. Don't forget also to sign up for our Patreon. It's patreon.com/GNPW. Keep up with all the Generation X Pro Wrestling action. You can also purchase your tickets for Friday night, July the 9th, as Generation X Pro Wrestling brings to you Prime from Paris, Kentucky. As we have a loaded card that evening, already announced on that night. It will be Christopher Michael Lewis putting his #1 contender spot on the line against Hollywood Adam Swayze. The winner of that match will be the #1 contender for the Generation X Pro Heavyweight title. So who will earn that title match? Who will be next in line for the Gen X Heavyweight title? Also on that night, you're going to see the Derek James Open Challenge. It's Derek James going one-on-one with Big Mama. Also, don't forget, on that night, you'll see Nasty Nate Darley as he takes on Pompano Joe in what is sure to be quite a outstanding contest we've seen the past few weeks, where Pompano Joe has tried to use some underhanded tactics, but he's gotten outsmarted by Nasty Nate Gnarly. Will that be the case in Paris, Kentucky on July the 9th? Kimba trying to fight back here. He's got to get that tag. CM Squared has been wearing him down. Kimba's got to get to the big man. He's got to get DC into this match. There he goes. He's moving to that corner and... no! Oh, DC got pulled off the apron. And now Kimba, once again, he is in trouble. He's got to get out of there. He almost got to DC, but not quite. And CM Squared is working Kimba over, trying to press their advantage. They want to get a big win here at Gen X Pro. They want to get on the winning track. They want to get their careers on the upswing. Working together. They got to get one of them out of there, though. Kimba's covered. But that's not enough. And again, Kimba has been in most of this match, and he has taken an absolute beating. And here we go. Both guys need to get to their partners. And yes, Kimba finally makes it to DC. And DC, the pace has quickened. The big man is on a roll. And DC trying to get the momentum. There's one splash. And there's another one. Oh, he's got him stacked up. Wham! Crushing him right in the corner. DC is on fire right now. And now here comes Kimba. DC's got to get out of there. The referee trying to get him out. Oh, what a punch! And Kimba from behind. Oh, that wasn't smart. Gaston LaRue got caught and driven down by DC. Oh, Kimba body slam on top of him. But not enough. Kimba and DC working quite well together. And DC goes spilling to the outside. Seems Squared celebrating, but here comes Kimba. Oh, Kimba tried to dive between the ropes, but he got caught. Oh, wait a minute. And what a match this has been. Back and forth, action everywhere. Kimba taking everybody out. Kimba, I think, was trying to get DC back up. Oh, Gaston LaRue went for hit him with the book. Oh, but Kimba got caught. He got distracted. Could that be it? It is. What a big win. CM Squared getting the big win here at Generation X Pro Wrestling over the Native Sons.